Hey guys, and in this video we are going to fix this two dual roots horn in our bullet. So for that we will be needing these two sets of clamps which will be mounted onto the bumper, and regular horn clamps, and some bolts and nuts which are of stainless steel. So the stainless steel won't get rusted easily, so that's why I'm preferring it. And this one is actually the regular bolt, so it gets rusted too soon and it will be too visible outside, and also after a long time it will be a bit difficult to remove, so that's why I prefer stainless steel to you guys. And now let's fix the horn clamp. So first we need to fix the straight clamp, and then we need to fix the bent clamp which goes to the bumper. And this is the bumper where we are gonna fix the horn. So for that we need to cut the rope and tie it. I'll show you guys how. And that's it guys, this is how we are going to fix the horn. Also make sure that your horn doesn't goes into contact with the mudguard or any fork thing. And now let's install the second horn too. This is how it looks after fixing the two horns. And let me show you guys on how I gave the wiring connections for this vehicle. I couldn't film it while connecting, I couldn't get the chance. So this is the horn relay. So it will be having three pins. One is the battery and switch and the horn. So I made a sleeve over here. For safety thing purpose I made a sleeve, and it goes through this hole and it goes outside. And one terminal goes to the battery, and the next wire goes to the horns. As you could see, I have routed the cable till here, and also I have fixed small round clips over here. And another thing I have done is I have installed a switch so that I can operate single horn at time, single and dual horn. So that's the thing I did here. Also make sure that all the bolts are tightened up properly. So make sure that you route your wires like this underneath the tank so that it won't be visible outside, so it get damages also. I suggest you guys to use heat shrink if possible, because insulation tapes worn off within some certain times. For earthing or negative terminal, you don't need to take it from battery. You can directly give it to the vehicle body, so which I have given here. So two earthings will be there. One will go for the one horn and second one for the second horn. So after giving the wiring connections, let me show you guys how it sounds.